आज हम PCR लगाएंगे बैक्टीरियल 16S राइबोसोमल RNA के लिए। PCR के लिए हमें जो DNA की क्वांटिटी रिक्वायर्ड होती है दैट इज़ अराउंड 500 or 600 nanogram. Whereas in our extractor, in our sample, the DNA was present in more than 5,000 or around about 6,000 nanogram per microliter. So first of all, we will dilute it and bring it to almost 500 nanogram per microliter. So for this purpose, I'm taking almost 18 microliter of water. Of course, we have to take PCR water. So I'm taking the 18 microliter PCR water. And I will add 2 microliter DNA sample in it in 1:10 ratio. So this is our micropipette taking 2 microliter of DNA in 18 microliter of water. So I'm diluting it in 1:10 ratio. Okay. Now this is DNA, the dilution of DNA. We will short spin it in order to mix it uniformly. Now for PCR we need master mix, and we need primers and our template DNA and PCR water, of course. So before using all these things, we will short spin all these things to mix them uniformly. So now we have short spin all these ingredients that are to be used in PCR. First of all, we will take 9 microliter master mix. So this is our master mix, and we will add 9 microliter in PCR tube. And we will put it back on ice quickly. Now we will add primers, almost 0.5 microliter, both forward and reverse primer. This is 0.5 microliter, and this is our forward primer. We will take 0.5 microliter of forward primer and 0.5 microliter of reverse primer. And then we will add 1 microliter template. So now we will add 1 microliter of DNA dilution that we have already prepared. And almost 8 microliter PCR water would be added. So this is PCR water, and we are going to add 8 microliter PCR water in it. Now we will short spin this PCR tube in order to uniformly mix it. Okay, now we have mixed our PCR mixture. Now we will place it in the PCR machine. This is 48 well PCR machine. You can place your sample anywhere in this machine and close the lid tightly. And now we will run the program. Files. Then all the files are saved here, so we will and click the enter button, and now you can see here it's mentioned bacteria. So we will come towards bacteria, we will select bacteria, and then we will press enter. And all these programs are for bacterial different genes, but at this moment we want to run PCR for 16S ribosomal RNA. So this is the program for 16S ribosomal RNA. We will select it by pressing the enter button. You can press both enter or run button from here. So we have to select the block. By pressing this button, you will select the block in which you have placed your sample, and you can see that now it's been selected, and now you will run it. Okay, so if you want to enter your sample information, it's okay, and if you don't enter it, otherwise you can by pressing the run button you can run it. By pressing OK or run button, you can simply run it.